Tori. So today I'm doing my Christmas wish list. I know this is a little bit late, but I kept pushing it back and back and back when I was gonna film it. So today I'm finally gonna film it. I have plenty of things to give you guys ideas for last minute things to buy for other people, to ask people for yourself. I know this is kind of late, but I know people are still asking me what I want, so I figured I would just give you the rundown. Yeah, with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. I'm sorry if you hear my heater, it's freezing cold in my room, so unless you guys want me to turn into an ice cube, we're gonna keep that on. And also, if you're wondering how I got this look, my next video will be a tutorial, so make sure you subscribe and check that out. Okay, I have my computer in front of me, so we're just gonna get into what I'm asking for, or what I already asked for Christmas. So the first thing is just an Ulta gift card. I feel like gift cards are just a good thing, literally, to ask anybody for. You can get gas gift cards, Sephora, Ulta, Starbucks, Dunkin', Target, literally anything. I just feel like gift cards are like a really safe option, and I always ask for an Ulta gift card because it's my favorite place to shop. My next gift is the main gift I asked for, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, 128 gigabytes in the color gold or silver. I am gonna let you guys know that I already ordered the phone. It is supposed to be here within the next few weeks. I know that I'm getting that. I just want to be very transparent about that. I'm very, very grateful. It was time for an upgrade. My phone carrier, like every 2 years, they give you an upgrade so you can get a new phone, and my upgrade was due, and so we all got new phones. My mom's and my brother's came in the mail yet. Mine has not, but I'm very excited. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation in the shade 1 Fair. This is like kind of pricey, but my sister has it and she literally loves it. I've heard really good things about it, so obviously that was something I was like, ooh, I'm gonna ask for that. But that's just like an idea. A lot of things I ask for are makeup related because that is my obsession, that is my life, makeup. So obviously I'm gonna ask for a lot of makeup. The next thing is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. I want this so bad. It's literally been sold out for weeks. I literally have my email notifications on. I'm waiting to get my hands on this eyeshadow palette. I want it so bad. I should have gotten it when it first came out, but I didn't. I should have gotten it during the Sephora VIB sale, but I didn't. Then I've been waiting the whole time of their like gift easy or easy gift or something promotion that they have going on right now. Tomorrow's actually the last day for it to restock, and it has not. But the second I see this in stock, I'm buying this. Christmas present to myself. Next is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Glaze Over Shimmer Top Coat. I have one of these. I still haven't tried it, but I've heard amazing things about it, so I had like 2 more shade options on here just for something like, you know, just ideas. Like, literally a wish list is not me being like, I have to get this or I expect to get this. It's just ideas that I give my mom, my dad, my family, just things that they like can get a feel, you know, just like a feel situation. Next, more makeup of freaking course. So next is the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. This is beautiful. I've heard amazing things about Natasha Denona. I got my first 2 Natasha Denona palettes over Black Friday, and I haven't played with them yet just because the looks I've been doing don't really require those palettes, but I'm very excited to try them. This palette is literally stunning. It's like a perfect everyday palette, perfect for my kit. It's just beautiful. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Pound Cake. I've heard amazing things about this from fellow YouTubers that I watch. I love trying out new powders. I used to never try out new powders, but this year has really been a powder year for me. I've really been obsessed with testing out new powder products, which is really strange because that's not really me, but I've really enjoyed powder products, so I just thought this would be a really fun one to get. Next is the Huda Beauty Glowish Cheeky Vegan Blush Powder in the shade Berry Juicy. This one is like a rich berry tone. I don't have very many berry toned blushes in my life, and I really want to try more of Huda Beauty's Glowish line. I've heard really good things about it. Some mixed reviews here and there, but like I'm just really intrigued, and I really like to try out all the new stuff. So next is from the same brand, and it's the Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder in the shade Medium. I've heard that these run kind of light, so I asked for a darker shade just because I've heard that they're not very pigmented, and I don't want to be sitting there like using up tons of product just to get some pigment. So I asked for the second shade rather than the first shade. Like I said, I've heard really good things about this. I literally today I was watching a video and someone said this was their favorite bronzer of the year, and I've had this on my list for like a month, so it's a good sign. Next is the Wishful Yo Glow AHA and BHA Facial Enzyme Scrub. I've heard that this is really good for pre-makeup application, like you do this right before makeup and it really just like wakens up your skin, and so I put that on my list because that sounds amazing. Next I have the Tower 28 Sunny Days SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation in the shade 10. This is just a skin tint. I enjoy skin tints. I also love foundation, but I just like trying out new complexion products. I love complexion products. Like that is my go-to. Like my go-to everyday look is a beautiful complexion with lashes and a liner. Like that is literally it. So new complexion products always excite me, so that's kind of just on my list. Anyone who likes lighter coverage, this might be a really good idea for you. And I believe the very last beauty product is the One Size Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, and I put the shade 3N, which is a fair neutral shade. I got 2 products from One Size recently, and I've really been enjoying them. I got his concealer and also the Luminous Setting Spray. I just want to try anything and everything I can from his brand, and I've heard really good things about the powder foundation. Now we're kind of switching gears to more of like smaller things, non-beauty related. First is the Taylor Evermore CD, like Taylor Swift. She's the queen. I love her. I don't listen to CDs. I have like Bluetooth in my car, but I just want to have CDs of like my favorite artists, just to have them, just to be like, hey, I love you, I'm supporting you, you know what I mean? Like I'd rather just have it in person, just in case, like say my phone's not working or something. Like I have the option to listen to T Swift. Next is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Plus. Michaela raved about this, so then I started doing my research, and I spent like 3 days watching reviews and videos on this product, and it sounds amazing. I would love to be able to do a blowout at home. Blowouts are really hard to do on yourself. They're way easier to do on other people. Someone who is in cosmetology school can tell you that right off the bat. So it would be really nice to have this and to be able to actually blow dry my hair without it being frizzy, because since I do have naturally wavy / curly, thick, coarse, frizzy hair, this sounds amazing for me. Next is the Taylor Swift Red Taylor's Version Vinyl. I did get this. I already know that. Sorry, I'm wasting my what I got for Christmas video a little bit. But my boyfriend and I did Christmas like over a week ago already. So I did get this. I'm very blessed and I love it. I mean, I don't have a record player, but I have the support, you know? And that kind of carries on to the Ariana Grande Positions vinyl, but the Coke bottle green one. It's only $27 on Amazon, so like I could easily buy that for myself. But oh my god, it's beautiful, and Ari is my queen. Like she's everywhere in my room, so it would just be nice to have a few things to, you know, represent her. Next is just silver jewelry. I am not a gold jewelry girl, and I keep telling me I need to convert, but I can't. I just can't. I don't think gold is my color. Gold is way easier to find, but I prefer being different. I am a silver girl, like literally. So sorry. Silver. Like I'm just a silver girl. I don't know what to tell you. I feel like gold is for people with more warmer skin tones, and I have a neutral skin tone, so I just feel like silver really suits me well. I feel like it's like honestly a personality trait at this point, but Okay, so the Ariana Grande Moonlight perfume. This is the last RA perfume I don't already own. So of course, naturally, I asked for it. And every year my dad gets me a perfume for Christmas. So every year I ask him for one, and I normally do receive it. Last year I believe he got me Sweet Like Candy. I also asked for the Harry Styles CD, like his original like debut album, which is called Harry Styles. I love that and Fine Line. I would be happy with either, but the Harry Styles one is the one I asked for. And then I also asked for the Ariana Grande Dangerous Woman and Sweetener CDs. Like I said earlier, Ari's my queen, and I just want to have CDs from all my faves just to have them, just to support, just to really show that I care, you know? And then I have, lastly, red Nike Pro Spandex. I like to wear spandex around the house just because, and red is my favorite color if you did not know. Now you do. I love Nike Pros and I love the color red, so why not just combine the two, you know, ask for both. So yeah, that is my quick little wish list. But yeah, with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know, let me know what you are hoping you get for Christmas down below, and I can't wait to compare this video to what I actually received. So with all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I love you all to the freaking moon and back, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.